Hello all, today we are going to try out Google Translate API using Python in Google Colab. So first we need to open Google Colab, create a new notebook. This is how we use Google's translation models for our applications and requirement. So change the name of your Python notebook and then using pip install Google Trans and the version name you can install the Google Trans library. After typing the code in the code cell, click on play button near to the code. Download is going on. When it is completed, you can add a cell for code again. Type import Google Trans from Google Trans import translator and then click on play. So it is imported now. Then we need to see the supporting languages of Google Translator. For that, print Google Trans languages. You will be able to see the codes and the supporting languages. Add a new cell for code. Then we are going to create an object for translator. For that, type translator equal to translator bracket open bracket close. Next thing is we are giving a text input and we are going to detect the language of the text input. For that, give Malayalam text as a string and then we are going to detect the language of that text. For that, creating a variable called lang equal to translator dot detect of the text. So when we print this, we will be able to see the language of the text that we have given. When we click on play button, you will be able to see the output. The language is ML. To get the ML as the printed value, we have to type translator.detect of text.lang. Next thing is we are going to translate the given text. For that, creating another variable translator underscore text equal to translator.translate of the text, comma. We have already detected the language of the text input and stored in the variable lang, so that we can give source as lang, source equal to lang, and then give the destination language to be translated. We are going to convert it into English language, so we have given dest equal to single quotes en. En is a code for English. Using print translated text, we will be able to print the text. If we want to extract the text information, we can give dot text to it. So by giving different languages, we will be able to convert it into different languages. So trying out with Hindi, HI is the code for Hindi. So we have converted our Malayalam text to Hindi. So next we are trying to give a Hindi text and then convert it into any other language. Giving destination languages Arabic and then run both 5 and 6. So after detection, we will get Hindi as a detected language and then it will be translated to Arabic. AS is the code for Spanish and using this we can convert the Hindi text to Spanish sentence. Please like, share and subscribe for more videos.